Again, 2 p.m. Friday, guys. Everyone in Florida should be fully prepared or fully evacuated. Evacuating sounds like the best. You saw the images at the beginning of the video that had everything to do with BP. Here they're saying it would be at 180. It's at 185, gust over 222. Staying at Cat 5 all the way until Saturday. And then they're predicting that interaction with the islands will slow it down. I don't see that interaction happening with this model. We'll see. Regardless, all the models converge in this, and the size of the storm is going to slam into the south tip of Florida. The Keys are going to be affected, and the wave heights on both sides.
And we are going to be affected.
According to the models. Here the CMC and the purple line is tracking it with first off the color. But look, by 2 a.m. Friday morning, 9 miles.
You ready for that storm?
This thing is getting stronger. It's only moving southeast into the Gulf at 6 miles an hour. That's dipping it kind of into the Bay of Campeche where the water is extremely warm. 992 millivolts. Gusts are approaching 100 miles an hour. But now, heading there, strengthening and pumping an extremely is about to get hit from either side. This is the global forecast model. What it's showing is coming in, striking South Florida, easing back out somewhere up around the Cape Canaveral area. Check it out. The other storm is right behind it. Either way, the both sides will be affected. Now, if it stays at this track, it shows it pushing the hurricane in the Gulf back across Mexico. But these models did not anticipate Katia becoming a hurricane. They really didn't know what it would do. So it's going to have some back push of its own. And again, the first.
We are getting prepared for the hurricane. Tonka says, there's some food up there for me. We got propane. We're getting a generator on Saturday. And we got a big thing of gas already. It's outside. I'm not bringing it in. A full thing of propane plus another propane. A full thing of propane plus another propane tank outside. Tonka says, I'm ready. I'm ready for that storm. Bring it on. There's lots of water under there too. So, we are getting prepared for the hurricane. We're not leaving. God bless you. We're going to be here. We're going to stay put. We've lived in this house for 27 years, been through a few hurricanes, and come away mostly unscathed. So, praying that happens again. Tonka, are you ready? Is Tonka ready? Is Tonka ready? He says, Mom, it's early. I'm tired.
You know, Governor, if I could, trust me, I would. That would be phenomenal. Thank you so much for being with us.
Recorded history where we could actually monitor these things.
That's crazy.
Pumped across the Gulf, across the Florida Panhandle. Check that out, guys. That's just setting up a flood back into the Atlantic where it goes up the east coast of Florida. The less pressure that's going to be pushing from Irma onto the storm Katia in the Gulf. We're longer now, but more moisture into the Gulf. And I promise you, this storm, even though they're not saying it is, will be a Category 2.
I'm going to go hide some of Tonka's toys in the house. and see if he can find them. He's got to stay out here. We'll see if he even looks for them. We're working on some hurricane fun, huh, Tonk? Tonk says, hurricane fun! You ready? Okay, hold on. I'll be right back. Where's your toys? Where did Mom put them? Where did Mom put them? Are they back there? Where are they? Where's your toys? Can you find them? Can you? Oh, you're so... Yay! You did! You found it! Good job. Good job. Ooh. I don't know if he'll even look for the other ones. Let's see. Are you going to find your other ones? He says, what's my brother doing? What is my brother doing? Look, we're watching Odin. Odin is eating a beef bone. And the crunching is awesome. Here, let's see. Oh, what was that? What was that? He says, look. Get my hedgehog. He's going to go hide his hedgehog. Watch. He's going to hide it. He's so funny. Hey, don't bring it. Take it down and bring it back out here. Odin, that looks yummy. Say, we are having a little pre-hurricane fun. What are you doing? Don't take it down there. Where are you taking it? He's so funny. He's gonna hide his stuff. We're gonna hide it. Where? His little brain's just going. Mom, I made a spot to hide it. I'm getting dizzy, Tonka.
You see, I've always tried to raise Odin up where he doesn't have the food aggression. So you see, I could reach down and grab this, and I could just I can take it right away.
Where did it go? Where in the world did it go? Hiding it with the dirty clothes. That's hilarious. Nobody will find it here. I'll never smell it over my brother's sweaty clothes.
Babysit a dog or dog sit a dog
what was that?
for a few days once that had extreme food aggression, and the thing actually bit my son right in the face. Luckily, it wasn't too bad.
He says, Mom, I can't reach it. Okay, here.
Right. Whenever you set that food,
Whoa, it's still squeaking. No, there's nothing in my purse. Little thief.
it was no big deal. Nothing to get possessive about.
You little thief. Come get out of my purse.
Be very well taken care of.
Did you find it? Did you find it? You already popped the squeaks? Did you find it? You're so silly. There's Odin. Odin is eating his beef bone. Look at him trying to steal out of my purse. He says, has Mom got anything in there for me? If y'all didn't know, Tonka's a little thief. He says, no, Mom, I'm just looking for spare change. Did you go get it? You got him. You hit him on the couch? That's a good hiding spot. Nobody will ever find him there. No, nobody will ever find him there, Tonka. What did I find? Sitting on the couch. Hedgehog. Oh. He says, oh, it smells good. He's gonna hide it.
This is not a storm you can sit and wait through.
Florida's governor says with Irma's size as big as the state, residents on both coasts should be prepared to evacuate. Stephanie Ramos, ABC News, Miami.
Well, County Sheriff Grady Judge tweeted.
Probably 5%. Now that's not 0, but it's 5%.
Hey, silly.
If it goes East Coast.
Okay, we're gonna go.
And 30%
Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when our videos are going to post again. Thank you for your thoughts and your prayers. We appreciate it. We'll be fine. Tonka says, we'll be fine. So I'm going to say, see you later, alligators. And Tonka's going to say, after a while, crocodiles, as he walks away. Tonka, come back. And Tonka's going to say, Tonka, come here. Come here. Tonka. Tonka says, after a while, crocodiles. He's out. You guys have a blessed day. Thanks so much for watching and joining our family. Later.